Okay, today we're going to continue exponents with expressions with exponents, okay? Let's start with the do now. It says revisiting the cube, and here's our cubes. And it says, based on the given information, what other measurements of the square and cube could we find? Well, for this one, it is just length times width. What do we call just length times width? Should mean area, right? So you can find the area of the blue shape. Over here, though, our green cube is 3D. So that means that it's volume. So we can find volume. And the equation for that is length times width times height. I would like you to find the volume of the green cube and find the area of the blue cube for me. All right, your area should be length times width. 3 times 3 is 9. And your volume is 3 times 3 times 3. So we get 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. Okay? That is what you should have got for your do now. Now, we're going to move down to the second part of this activity. After your do now, you are going to move to activity 1, calculating the surface area. This says a cube has a side length of 10 inches. Jada says the surface area of the cube is 600 inches squared. That means that its volume, it's a cube, 3D. And Noah says that the area of the cube is 3,600 inches squared. And here's how each of them reasoned. Jada said 6 times 10 to the second is 6 times 100, and that's how you get 600. Noah said 6 times 10 to the second is 60 to the second power, and you get 3,600. Okay, how do we know who is correct? I'm going to write down PEMDAS really quick, because PEMDAS is always used in all of our problems, our expressions. We do parentheses first. Neither of them have parentheses, so we don't need that. Then we would do exponents. Do you see exponents at all? I see exponents here and here. So we need to solve that first. Which one of them solved the exponent first? You should have said Jada. Jada solved the exponent and she got 100. Noah messed up and he did 6 times 10 first. He skipped from here down to here, and you cannot do that. You have to start with E and then go to M and for multiplication. So Jada did it correct. So the real answer is actually 600 inches squared. And we can say Jada is correct because she followed PEMDAS, or also known as order of operations, which tells us to do exponents first. That is your first activity, and hopefully that helped you so that now you can do activity 2 by yourself.